Welcome. In this video I'm going to be taking a look at this LIONO smart car charger tracker. So this is provided to me by the distributor, but they're not compensating me for this video and they're not reviewing it before I post it. If you find this video helpful and you want to purchase one of these, I'll put a link to it in the description. And if you use that link, it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost anything extra. So this is MiFi certified. It's compatible with the Apple Find My network. So this will work similar to an AirTag. So let's get this open. Here we have the manual. Let's take a quick look at it. This talks about how to use it for the first time. It says with the vehicle's power turned on, insert this product into the car's cigarette lighter socket to perform the initial power on and startup. Use the SIM eject tool to press power, reset button once. When you hear the startup sound, the initial startup is complete. So then you want to go to Find My. You'll tap Devices and say Add. You'll add the device. You'll choose an emoji, and then you can set the settings for that. Okay, so let's look at this. So it comes with a little pin tool. And here we have the charger. So the USB-A on this is 2 amp and the USB-C is 1 amp. So this is a typical charger like you'd find in a car. So the idea behind this is that you plug this in your 12-volt socket and it can help track your car. And if someone were to steal your car, they probably wouldn't give a whole lot of thought to this, plugging your 12-volt socket. There's a chance they could steal this and take it with them. In that case, they're being tracked. So I'm going to set this up on my bench here because it's easier to see, but then we'll go check it out in the car. So I have a power station here with a 12-volt socket. Now I apologize, I'm going to have to blur things out. Probably quite a bit on this, but I'll describe things I'm blurring if it's necessary. So you compare this with iOS devices like an iPhone or an iPad, and if you have your iCloud set up, it will go on all of your devices, and you can even share it with family members and such. So I'm going to go into my iPad to the Find My app. So I have the map up here. I'm going to tap on Devices, and then Plus, and I'll say Other Item. Now it's going to search for it, so I'll turn on my power station here, turn on my DC, and I'll plug this in. And then I'll press that middle button. So it's making a noise now. Make sure I have this close. Okay, it found it. It says Smart Car Kit. I'll hit connect. I'll enter the name. Just call it car. I'll hit continue. It wants me to choose an emoji. So I'll choose a car. Choose the blue one. I'll hit continue. So it says it's linked to my Apple account. It has my contact information on there. I'll hit agree. So it has a couple different options here. It says directions and map, play sound, lost mode, and share your item. I'll hit finish. So the item's showing up on the map now. I'll try play sound. So it's making a beeping sound. So now it's tracking. So like an AirTag, for this to track, it needs to be around Apple devices, which would be like Apple phones and such. Now Apple phones are very common. So the likelihood is that this device will always be near an Apple phone, but it's obviously not guaranteed. Now this does have a battery in it, so I can turn off my power here, and now play a sound again. And here it's playing that sound. So this is going to charge up when it's plugged in, and according to the Amazon description, it can last up to 3 months per charge. So now let's head out to the car and test this out. Okay, so I'm here in my car, and we can see here I currently have a charge adapter in here, so I'll pull that out. And I can plug this one in. So it doesn't look like much there. You would hardly notice it if you weren't looking. I can plug my charge cable into it. Now if we look at the app, it has the location. It's showing it on the map. We can zoom in here. So I'm in a parking lot at a retail establishment. So I'm kind of further out here in the parking lot. It's probably pinging off my personal phone, but there are people driving by, so if my phone wasn't here, it would probably catch someone else's phone to ping the location back to the server. So that's the LIONO Smart Car Charger Tracker. A device like this can be a great way to track a car. So I plug this into my 12-volt socket in the front, but I also have one in the console of my car, and I have one in the rear of my car. So I could have opened the back hatch and plugged this in, and it would do the same thing. Now this is my personal car here, but if you wanted to, say, keep track of a rental car or a fleet vehicle, you could also plug into those. Now if a person has an iPhone, it will bring a message up saying that the tracker is nearby, but with a tracker like this, this is not very noticeable. So they might be looking for the tracker. There's nothing on here that says it's a tracker. So if they see this in here, they're not likely to pull this out and think it's a tracker. Even if it was beeping, they might think the beeping was coming from behind it because it's not typical that something like this would be beeping. So that's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.